Helping solve the challenges facing the manufacturing industry, Mitsubishi Electric is continually strengthening its digital solutions. By using data from diverse FA devices on the production floor, Mitsubishi Electric's digital solutions optimize control, transform production processes, and enable sustainable data-driven business models. The digital foundation is the FA products that provide the on-site data. Mitsubishi Electric has combined years of accumulated data with the insights and know-how developed on the shop floor to create innovative FA devices. Combining advanced technologies and know-how, the Melsec IMEX controller reimagines the next generation of integrated control. Built around a high-performance multi-core MPU, the Melsec IMEX controller delivers integrated sequence, motion, and network control. In addition, it supports mixed control across 3 execution cycles, from low to high speed. Its multi-network compatibility lets it connect to a variety of systems, enabling optimal system design. It logs extensive data from connected devices and, using AI, maps equipment interactions and relationships to help minimize downtime. Compliance with international security standards helps protect user assets and keep factories running smoothly without interruption. The main demo unit uses a range of advanced technologies to simulate an unmanned factory that assembles liquid-cooled GPU units like those used in AI data servers. Using Mitsubishi Electric's advanced FA products and digital solutions, we demonstrate highly efficient manufacturing from PCB and chip assembly to liquid cooling unit assembly and final appearance inspection. Prior to startup, 3D simulations are used to verify and optimize layouts, operational sequences, and paths, significantly reducing rework during line build-out. Along the line, servo systems provide multi-axis synchronized control, while multiple robots automate everything from part transfer and positioning to assembly and inspection. In addition, advanced integrated control enabled by a TSN-compatible network and the latest HMI technology work together to optimize system performance. These systems enable factory equipment to come online through IoT connectivity. By leveraging the detailed data from our diverse FA products together with AI, we carry out operation monitoring, accelerate automation of visual inspections, and pursue energy optimization, while also reinforcing OT security to safeguard assets in the field. Mitsubishi Electric's vision for manufacturing is simple: maximizing customer value. Because we strengthen OT security to ensure field data can be used safely, we can provide cross-plant, cross-process data usage that optimizes the whole manufacturing process. And through Serendy, Mitsubishi Electric's digital platform, we fuse data from FA products with on-site know-how to develop new services and solutions. For instance, we can use generative AI to optimize control strategies, automatically produce control programs, and introduce AI agents in the field that, through conversational guidance, deliver the best equipment designs and fixes for problems. Our diverse advanced technologies let field data flow seamlessly between FA products and digital solutions, creating the cross-plant data utilization needed to optimize whole processes. Looking ahead, site-specific physical AI will link the real and virtual, unlocking more precise production management and improved product quality. With field-based digital solutions at its core, Mitsubishi Electric is committed to being an innovative force in manufacturing, transforming the industry from unmanned plants to new production models, and continually delivering transformative innovation.